Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you're watching this from in the globe. Welcome to the Next Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Returnees too, thank you so much. My subscribers, thank you. As I keep saying, is growing and I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. It tells me that I'm on the right path. Okay, so thank you so much. Now let's continue our dress. And today, no matter what, we had to finish this dress. Okay, I know it's been a challenge, but it's good. It's good for you to practice this way. And then from after this, I should say, we're going to start sewing some summer outfits that we can wear this summer. Okay, so let me walk you through. Let me show you a couple of things and I'll move the camera to the machine and then we'll start. First of all, I have the center back, I have serged it. As I said from way back, that it's not necessary that you have to have a serger. You can use zigzag on your machine. And I've showed you a couple of stitches on the machine that you can use. So the center back, I serge it. And then the sleeves, the armhole of the sleeves also I serge it. Okay. Now, let me put the camera off, readjust myself, and I'll be back. Hello. Now with your bodice, pin it to the waist of the skirt. Okay. Of the skirt. And I'll show you to you. I lined my skirt, so please follow the instructions, okay? Because I double my skirt the same fabric, okay? Because my fabric is too light. So make sure the side seam of the bodice matches the side seam on the skirt. And then match your center back blouse, or I should say bodice, to the center back of the skirt. Okay, as I said, I did it different because I lined mine. Okay, and then match your center front of the bodice to the skirt. And then we've done all this, so it's not different from the ruffles we did on the sleeve and then on the center front. So it's the same method. So follow that. And then for you to get this right, if you don't have your notches, make sure the side seam matches the side seam on both on the skirt and on the bodice, as I keep rambling everywhere. And then put a couple of pins at the spot and then pull your gathering. Okay, so I'm gonna put the camera off. You don't have to watch me do this. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. Thanks. Hello there, I'm back. This is it. I've joined the skirt, or is it, to the bodice. Let me put it this way so you can see it properly. And that's the front. It's all done. Now I'm gonna iron the waist seam up towards the bodice, and then I'm gonna serge it. Okay, let's see. What did I say? Up? Yeah. Make sure your seams match. Okay. And this side too. Make sure it matches. And I'm gonna iron and I'll be back. Then I'm gonna set my machine to zip the zipper foot. And then I'm gonna put the zipper in, and one step at a time. I'll be back. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I joined the waist. I serged it. I did my gathering under the bust. I took my gathering thread out. Now, I'm gonna, as I said, I'm gonna set my machine up for zipper. Okay, and I've ironed it. My center back, I've ironed it and folded it in. So I'm gonna set up and I'm gonna put the zipper in. So hold on. Hello there, I'm back to put my zipper. Okay, first of all, I start from the left hand side. I usually don't pin or run do a running stitch before I start. I just fold this towards the head of the zipper, and then I put it on and I let it pass the teeth a bit, and then I start sewing. Okay, so you follow the instruction sheet, and I've walked you through this before with the skirt. So I'm going to finish the zipper and I'll be back. Thanks. Hello, I'm back. Okay, this is the zipper. It's all done. Okay. Just take your time. Slowly take your time, and then you put a hook and eye at the top. Okay. If you don't know what a hook and eye is, let me know and I'll show you example of it. But the dress is all done. All what I need is iron it. Give it a good iron. And then it's all done. I just hem my 1/2 inch. You can hem it 2 different ways. I just serge it and then hem 1/2 inch. And then my lining, I just fold it under and stitch it. Okay, I use the same fabric to line my skirt because my material is very light. That's why I didn't show you the zipper whilst I was that's why I didn't show you the zipper when I was stitching it, because I have a lining. I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, but as I keep saying, just follow your sheet. Okay, so this will be the end of the video. We finish our dress. No more. I bet you guys can can breathe now. Okay, and I'll see you Friday or next week, but we're gonna continue making a skirt, a dress, a short pant, step by step. But we're gonna make another dress or skirt for summer. So thank you for watching and happy sewing. And if you don't understand anything that I've walked you through, leave a comment and then I'll, as I said, I'll dress it up. So bye bye for now.